So, nice. Next example tayo. So, dito po rin tayo sa analytic geometry, the straight line, no? Ito, mamaya natin sagutan yan, guys. Ito muna tayo. Find the equation of the line passing through 3, 7 and 5, 11. So, same ano tayo, guys. Ang pwede nating magamit dito is yung 2-point form. Actually, hindi pala siya 2-point form, no? Point slope form pala. So, to find slope, gamitin lang natin yung formula na ganito. Yung kung naalala nyo sa nakarang video natin. So, yung y sub 2 natin is yung 11 minus 7 over 5 minus 3. Which is 4 over 2 or 2. So, next, ito naman guys, even kahit anong point ang gamitin nyo dyan, magka-come up pa rin tayo sa same answer. Pero try natin kunwari ito muna gamitin natin. So, y sub 1 is 7. So, minus 7. So, yung 0.1 tayo, no? Is equal to yung slope natin is 2x minus 3. So, simplifying, y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 6. So, y is equal to 2x. I-rewrite na natin siya as general form. So, magiging transpose lang natin, ang magiging sagot is 2x minus y. Pag ito magiging positive 7, so plus 1 is equal to 0. Pag yung point 2 naman ang ginamit natin, so pili lang tayo yung y minus 11. Same answer na 2 slope, x minus 5. So y minus 11 is equal to 2x minus 10. So, rewriting in general form, magiging 2x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So, nag-come up tayo sa same answer. So, ganyan lang siya i-solve guys, ha. So, dito naman tayo sa medyo tricky, no? So, kita nyo naman siguro, guys, di ko na siya i-rewrite. Find the equation of the line passing through 2, negative 5 and perpendicular to x minus 4y is equal to 3. So, nung na-discuss na rin natin ito sa TikTok, guys, pag sinabi nating parallel lines, yung slope 1, slope ng unang line is equal lang siya sa slope ng another line. Pag sinabi nating perpendicular, Pag minultiply mo din yung slope ng unang line tsaka yung slope ng pangalawang line ay magiging is equal to negative 1. Tandaan natin to guys. Kahit sa calculus magagamit natin to. Okay, so di ko na siya tatanggalin dyan ha. Okay. So dito, find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, negative 5 and perpendicular to x minus 4y equals 3. So sabihin natin, dito sa x minus 4y is equal to 3. Bali, ang sabi natin, ang slope 1 niya is, pag nire-write natin, di ba pag sa y is equal to mx plus b, itong coefficient ng x, siya yung slope, itong m. So, rewriting this, makakuha tayo ng 4y is equal to negative 4y is equal to negative x minus 3. Ay, di. Mas mahirap to. Ito na lang pala i-transpose natin to 4y tas itong 3. So, magiging x minus 3 is equal to 4y. Which is ang parang na, tapos, divide natin lahat by 4. So, magiging y is equal to x minus 3 over 4. Pero ito ang kailangan natin eh. Itong maging x. Mali. So, times natin siya ng 1/4 lahat. So, magiging x over 4. Bilag na naman ang kilonewtons natin. Yeah. X over 4 minus 3/4 is equal to y. So, ang slope natin, masasabi natin, ang slope ng M1, ng line na yan, is 1/4. Tama? 1/4. Kaso ang sabi natin, kailangan natin slope ng M2. So, di ba ang sabi natin, M1, M2 is equal to negative 1. So, ang slope na hinahanap natin sa line 2 is negative 1 over 1/4. Or simply, negative 4. So, ito yung, oh my God, ito ang required nating slope. Itong negative 4. Okay. So, ngayon, gamitin na ulit natin yung point slope form. Which is yung y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. So, y magiging plus 5 na siya kasi minus minus 5. So, y plus 5 is equal to negative 4 negative 4 x minus 2. So, further simplifying, magiging y plus 5 is equal to negative 4x plus 8. So, leave transpose. So, 4x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Yan ang hinahanap natin. Equation of the line. Sa choices, I believe ito siya. Letter D. Yan. So, ganyan lang siya isolve guys ha. So, tandaan lang natin yung mga equations of the line mula sa general form na ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then, point slope form, 2-point form, slope intercept form. Tandaan natin yung mga ano na. Ito yung slope intercept form guys ha. Itong y is equal to mx plus b. Then, pag parallel lines, equal ang slope nila ng dalawang line. Pag perpendicular, dapat pag multiply mo yung slope ng dalawang line is equal sa negative 1. So, yun guys. For more engineering videos and topics guys, please like and subscribe sa YouTube channel natin. And meron din tayong official TikTok account. So, for more engineering topics. So, padayon, engineers.